welcome to 13647 Jarrettsville Pike. This beautiful craftsman-style home was built new in 2015 with so many incredible features, including geothermal. Now let's start on the outside. The home has a beautiful wraparound bluestone porch and an enormous back deck, complete with gazebo, all Trex, all added on by this owner after the home was built in 2015. The home features 4 very large bedrooms, all upstairs, 3.5 baths, and an unfinished basement that's ready to be finished. Everything in the home brand new in 2015 and an amazing Phoenix location. Great lot size, great deck, great patio, great efficient geothermal HVAC system. This home is turnkey, ready for its new owner in one of arguably Phoenix's best locations. If you'd like to see this home in Phoenix, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Sure Sales Group of Berkshire Hathaway, Homesale Realty.